Okay, so cool. Now I'm in a third hostel in Krakow. Yeah, I have been changing hostels quite frequently because I like to explore different hostels. This hostel seems like it reminds me a little bit like ferries, you know, the boats that sail around. And this hostel name is Express Hostel. And why do I know this is because this is pretty big hostel. But so far it seems pretty nice. There's like area where you can hang outside, and there's like a very big kitchen room and like common room combined. Well, the common area is like it's well, you will see soon because I'm gonna show you. All right, let's like do it now. And this is like the kitchen and like common room combined. So yeah, this is like very big hostel. I haven't been in this size of a hostel, like, yeah. So let's like head outside because I have to like get my backpack from the other hostel and walk like 30 minutes. So let's like go there. Okay, mission almost completed. I have my backpack and I'm almost at my new hostel. And today's happenings will be, I don't know, maybe something is going on over there. So maybe we will check it out, what's happening there. And now I'm gonna throw my backpack to my new hostel, and then we are probably gonna go somewhere and get something to eat. So those are like today's plans, so stay tuned and we will see and try to find out like what is Krakow's Friday nights. Right, I managed to get some food for me, yay! So, Poland is like very cheap country for a Finnish guy. So, let's see what this like it cost for me. So, it did cost me 14.80 zlotys, it's like around 4 euros, so pretty cheap. And now I'm gonna like enjoy this, and in the meanwhile you can like watch this insanity. like so exhausted now. And like sometimes when the city is like maybe too much for you or me, I'm always finding myself in the parks. This is the place where you go if you're like tired and had enough of this like people's busyness. Believe it or not, but Krakow has some very cool parks. As most of the cities that I have been in. It's like this very big park is like circling around the old town. If you are gonna come to Krakow, you definitely will find this park. If you're especially gonna go to the old town, of course. You cannot enter old town without going past this park. Yeah, this is so lame. It's like speak to myself here. Everyone is like looking at, there's that crazy Finnish guy who's always talking to himself. Or that's what I feel. Maybe I'm wrong. I think I'm gonna go to my hostel and lay down for a bit. After that we should definitely go and check out what's happening on Friday in Krakow. This is very busy city in the summertime. There's like a lot of tourists in the old town area and in the like city center as well. So if you don't like people, don't come to Krakow in the summertime, or else you will get pissed off. There's like a lot of mosquitoes here in the parks. These mosquitoes especially seems to like me. No, maybe they're relatives to like Finnish mosquitoes. But enough talking. I cannot ramble anymore anything. So probably we will see somewhere where my adventures are heading. Okay, so the plans have like changed a little bit because one of my friends contacted me and she said that you wanna meet, and I was like, yeah, why not? And she's a bit like camera shy, so she doesn't want to be in front of the camera, so I don't know how this vlogging will be like. If I will be able to vlog with her, so this day's vlogging could be like end right now. I'm not so sure yet, but we shall see. And if it ends now, I hope you enjoyed my stupid jokes, or they're not even jokes, I'm just stupid. And we will maybe see in my next videos. I don't know yet what's gonna happen today or tomorrow or something like that, but bye bye.